Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Hey guys, welcome back to the Language Tutor Spanish series. I'm so glad you're with me on this very short lesson. Let me tell you, this is going to be a short lesson today, but it's really going to help you out, I think. All right, somebody asked me on the Language Tutor Spanish Facebook page, can you do a lesson on how to use gracias with the word por? Absolutely. It doesn't take very long to do that. So here we are. So I'm going to do that. And hey, have you gone and checked out the Language Tutor Spanish Facebook page? There's a lot of great dialogues and questions and resources there. And, you know, we're having some discussions on there. And it's pretty cool. I'm loving being on there and talking to some of the viewers. And how do you like this Language Tutor shirt? You know, you can get one. Also, you can get hoodies and coffee mugs and all the merchandise there supports the channel. So every time you buy something, it goes straight to help us out here on the Language Tutor, our channel, to build our channel and grow and buy resources and things like that. And I'm getting some great pictures on the Language Tutor Facebook page showing me of people wearing their hoodies and their coffee mugs and all that. And man alive, I'm just blown away. You all are so great and support me, and I just appreciate it. But hey, check out our Teespring shop. Get your Language Tutor merchandise today. All right. Well, let's talk about our lesson today. This is going to be very short, okay, because it's pretty easy. We want to use this word right here, gracias, and the word por right after it. So really we're saying thank you for something. When we use this phrase all the time, don't we? When we're speaking, somebody does something or says something, we say thank you for, it could be anything. Now, I want you to think about this phrase because sometimes we follow this with a noun and sometimes we follow it with a verb. And we can do the same exact thing in Spanish. So let's start by using gracias por with a noun after it. Okay, so I want to just use a very simple phrase. First of all, gracias por su ayuda. Thank you for your help. Okay, that's a very nice common phrase that we can use. Gracias por su ayuda. Now, this could, you could be standing at a counter in an airport or a train station in Europe, just buying something, and somebody helps you find something, and you just say, gracias por su ayuda, in that nice, respectful way, using the usted form, su, okay? So thank you for your help. So you can replace your help with anything. You can thank you for your support. Thank you for that suggestion. Thank you for the clothes, whatever. You can put any kind of noun just by simply saying gracias por. All right. Now, I want to show you the other way, and that's by following it with a verb. And there's only one thing you have to remember about this. I want to say this. Gracias por venir. Thank you for coming. All right. Thank you for coming. Now, notice that I did not conjugate the verb. I left the verb as an infinitive with the IR still on it. Because when you say gracias por and you put a verb after it, you have to leave the verb unchanged, okay? So gracias por venir, thank you for coming. Now, some people want to say, well, wouldn't it be viniendo, the present progressive form, the gerund form of it? And actually, it's not. We leave it unchanged. And that doesn't really make a lot of sense in English, but it does in Spanish, okay? It's one of those things you just got to know that's how you do it. And that's just how we do it. So, okay. Okay, guys. Well, I hope this little short lesson has been beneficial to you. And I hope you can start bringing this into your conversation. Start trying to think of any instance you can say, gracias por today. All right, and start bringing it in. All right, guys. Well, I'll see you on the next lesson. And in the meantime, though, I wish for you paz y bendiciones, peace and blessings, and I'll see you soon. Hasta pronto. Friends, thanks for watching The Language Tutor. If you have a question for me, feel free to leave it in the comment section below the video. And please click subscribe and the notification bell so that you'll never miss any of our language lessons.